Hello and welcome. I'm George Crump, lead analyst with Storage Switzerland. Today we're going to be starting our test drive of the Ctera C400 cloud attached storage. This is a ambitious device that provides a lot of capability, starting with NAS or file services. It also has backup and replication capabilities, as well as the ability to provide block storage. So a lot of features, a lot of capabilities that we will go through in our normal method of doing a little bit of a test each week or so. Part of that is going to also include our normal method of not reading the manuals first, but trying to figure it out on the fly and see how well the product guides us through it. So of course the first step is to bring up the GUI and see what happens. We of course have the unit plugged in and have drives installed and ready to go. So with that, we'll go ahead and bring up the GUI. Of course, we log into the unit and immediately pops up. You can tell that we have two hard drives installed in the unit, and I want to thank Western Digital for supplying us with these new 3 terabyte drives. So we'll also be testing the Western Digital 3 terabyte drives at the same time. So you can see that it's wanting to go ahead and set up storage for us. So we're going to go ahead and say next. And now it's asking me if I want to create an array and add a volume. So that's exactly what I want to do. So now it's going to go ahead and prepare the array for us. Next step is to configure file sharing. So it's going to ask us, should we allow network users to access files on this device? We have to define some shares. So we're going to create a share called vol1 on volume vol1 and give it the read write. So again, basically doing exactly what it is. And then we, from this point, we would set up the CTERA portal, and at this point we don't have that that part set up, so we're going to come back and configure that later. So with that complete, we're all set and ready to go, and we will click finish, and we're ready to start working. So that's as simple as it gets as far as setting up the unit. Take a look here at the storage configuration. You can see that the volume is currently offline and it's formatting. That would make a lot of sense since it's got quite a bit of a size volume to work its way through. So we'll let that go ahead and go. And so for setting up a NAS, this is about as easy as it gets, I think. We plug the unit into power. We plugged 2 ports into our LAN, and it walked us right through the initial setup. So very easy to do. The other thing I like about this unit is it allows you to supply your own hard drives. So we were able to use the Western Digital 3 terabyte drives that I had mentioned earlier. So for now, we're going to let this go ahead and finish formatting. I'm George Crump, lead analyst with Storage Switzerland, signing off, and we will, as we do with all our test drives, be giving you many, many updates as we go along.